Hello everyone, my name is Fikri Ramadhan, a third semester graphic design student who will make a video tutorial about how to make whole text using Adobe Photoshop CC 20. Before starting, don't forget to like, comment, and share if you think this video is useful. Okay, let's just start the video. The first we create layer with the advantageous size. Here I use this illustration artboard, then click create, and I will change the background color to orange, then press Alt plus delete. Now the color has changed like this. Then we will create text, adjust the color of the text you want. Here I use white, then click OK, then type you want to write. Then we will remove the text to the middle and enlarge it and readjust its position again to the middle. Then we click the text layer and select the polygonal lasso tools. We make it like this. If there is already a dot line like this, then click Add Layer Mask, which is at the bottom right. The text will appear cut off. Then click Ctrl plus J to duplicate the text layer. Click Ctrl plus I on the previous duplicate layer. The result will be like this. Then move the duplicate text layer to the left, like this. Next, click Ctrl, then click left mouse on the duplicate layer. Next, add a new layer, then use the brush tools. We change the color to black and adjust the size. Next, brush the text like this. After that, press Ctrl plus D to remove the lines. And done. This is the result. Easy, right? Thank you for watching my tutorial video. I hope you can follow the tutorial and once more don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'm Fikri Ramadhan. Thank you everyone and see you next time. Bye bye.